Avenue as part of a Labor Day DUI operation. The officer was parked near Toledo Street when he observed a vehicle speeding. The officer pulls out onto East 6th Avenue and attempts to initiate a traffic stop by activating his lights and siren. The suspect vehicle does not immediately pull over for the officer's attempt at a traffic stop. The officer continues to follow the suspect vehicle, and at 7:30 p.m., the suspect crashes into two other uninvolved vehicles at East 6th Avenue and Billings Street.
David John Lincoln, Henry 70. Stay in the car! Don't move! Don't move! Motor 45, I've got a crash. 6, just east of 225. Get a couple cars here now. Stay in the, give me your hands. Show me your hands. Get your hands up, dude! Don't shoot me. Get your hands up right now! Get your hands up! Yeah. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get away from that motherfucking gun! Get on the ground now!
Get that shit. Nigga,
get on the ground now!
Get that shit. Get that shit. Get that shit.
I'll shoot you.
Get that shit. Get that shit.
Dad, chill. No.
Get that shit.
No, Dad, chill.
Get that shit.
Officer, chill. Dad.
Get that shit.
Get on the ground.
Get that shit.
Get on the ground!
Oh, yeah.
Dad, chill.
So, you ready for this?
Relax.
You ready for this?
Get on the ground!
You ready for this? You ready for this, huh? You ready for this, huh?
Get on the ground.
You ready for this?
Shots fired. Motor 45, shots fired. Give me some cars. Cruiser. Ambulance hot. No. It's not a tourniquet kind of thing. Thank you. Stay there. Hey! Get over there behind us. There's a gun over there. Behind the boxes. Shut it all down. Sable, westbound, highway, eastbound. What?
They just shot my dad. He didn't have no gun.
Did you find that gun?
He threw the gun.